good day to all of you guys. So this is Don again of Omega Aquatics. So it's a rainy afternoon today, and today we are going to buy some ref ponds. So we will talk about the ref ponds that I have in here and the things that we use to keep our fish. So this is very easy and very cheap kind of thing that we use in the hobby, especially here in the Philippines, because we have a lot of fishes that we keep in our house. And if you don't have enough space, or if you don't like to have a hassle of cleaning your fish tanks and everything, so either you could use a laminated sack or either used refrigerator or old used refrigerator. So I'll see you. I just got home, guys, and now we're going to clean the fridge that I have bought from the junk shop. So we are going to clean this out, and then we will seal all the holes so that we can be able to use and make sure that there's no leakage in our ref pond. I have already done filling the holes, right, and seal all the holes in there. So what we're going to do now is to wait and let it dry in the sunlight. And after that, we are going to do a leak test, make sure that all of the hose is not leaking. And we were also going to stock of water on it so that we could put our betta fry. And also, luckily this morning I was able to see my goldfish and was able to breed them, right? And so I really need to have more ref or used refrigerator so that we can be able to use them and make them. That's it, guys. So we have already set up our ref pond or our used refrigerator. So ever since I started this hobby, that's the thing that I've been using for my Growout. So maybe next week I'll be buying more refrigerator or old refrigerator from the junk shop so that I could be able to expand our mini farm. And because I have already bred our goldfish, and at the same time I need to place my betta fry into a larger Growout so that we could have a lot of production, and we will place some of them in our pet shop. So that's it that we can share for you today, guys. Please don't forget to hit subscribe and also click that notification bell for more upcoming videos. I'll see you again next week. Peace out.